Our top earning play. Bullish buys to long, breakout over 250, gap fill under 245, 44. That was Apple. So Apple was a beautiful trade. This was a gap. This is my favorite setup because this is the setup where I have made most of the profits. Gap and crab. There's always ladders up and elevators down. That's always what happens with something which is doing a gap and crab. It pays you so well. The 245 puts went from $1 all the way to $11. So that's like $1,000 all the way to $11,000. As soon as I saw the weakness, I said no long. Wait, as soon as I see more weakness and I saw the put flow, ghost board in our community, amazing tool. As soon as I saw the bearish flow, I said gap and crab short under the levels. 246 was the risk I gave everybody. 244 was the buy. 242 first target and then 240. And we hit those targets midday. But here's what happens. There's no buying it. And once bear flagging, we kept moving the stops down. I told everybody, move your stops to 240, 250. It's still heavy. If it breaks the MTF cloud, we are going to get more fade, and that's what happened. We filled the gap, and there's another lesson to learn. If something doesn't bounce from the gap fill, it's going to fade much more, and that's exactly what Apple did. So you keep adding your inputs. MTF1 break, MTF2 break, MTF3 break. You could always roll into the further put. You roll into 240s with profit, or even if you want to roll to 235s, that's fine, because you maximize your profit when you do that. Once it started to move and your 235 lotos were right here at 40 cents, you already made like $3-4 grand. You take $500, throw into 235 puts. You made $4 grand. You're using the $500 profit. If it goes to zero, that's fine. But that $500 can turn into another $1,500. So that's how you trade these lot of options. You also use these Fibonacci levels and the levels from the pre-market. And I know this because I make these levels in the pre-market. So breaking all the levels, confirm short. Not only that, guys. In the morning, I said Apple, gap and crab short and Tesla long. Top trades at the open, 944. Those were the only two trades you needed today, guys. Try to explain everything. Gap and crab short. MTF clouds 238, full gap fill coming, patient. So that was our huge trade on Apple. Big home run, make lot of Friday great again. Using the option flows.
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.